Kidz galaxy. Bird's name. Eagles are powerful birds of prey known for their keen eyesight. Toucans are colorful birds with large bills and tropical habitats. Parrots are colorful, intelligent birds known for mimicking sounds. Owls are nocturnal birds with excellent night vision and wisdom. Ostriches are large, flightless birds known for running fast. Crows are intelligent, adaptable birds known for their problem-solving skills. Pigeons are urban birds known for their cooing and homing ability. Kingfishers are vibrant birds known for diving to catch fish. Peacocks are large birds known for their colorful tail feathers. Sparrows are small, social birds known for their cheerful chirping. Woodpeckers are birds that drum on trees to find insects. Quails are small, ground-dwelling birds known for their plump bodies.